Alhamdulillah, students, I'm all okay. I'm fine. So, have you all seen the yesterday's notes?
Yes.
Okay. So, as today everyone have joined the class, I wanted to tell you all that after completion of our 10 days, inshallah ta'ala, we will be conducting a test so that we can identify that we have practiced the sessions so good or we need to practice more for the sessions. After checking all your video, all your Resin, all your arts, I'll be publishing a certificate for you all. After the exam, within 10 days, I'll issue the certificate so that even you can take the classes, even you can do your marketing. Okay, inshallah ta'ala, even you all will be working so hard. You all will be paying so hard for your works. So good you'll be paying for your hard works. Inshallah. So without wasting the
Okay.
time, let us start for our class today. Just wait a while. I'll make the camera to be back camera. Okay. So firstly, we will be having a cup and a syringe. A syringe, hardener, and resin. Okay. Hardener we are using as 3:1 ratio resin. Okay. When we will be taking the resin in a uh, 3 ml, then we'll be taking a 1 ml of hardener. So let us start with the first practical class. Alhamdulillah, we are starting our first practical class. Are you all so excited to start your class?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Inshallah, this will be so fruitful for you all. Firstly, we will be taking our resin. Are you all ready? Just see here. Here we are having the mls or written over here. 3 ml resin we are going to take. Firstly, we are going to try with the alphabetical keychains. Then slowly, without color, we are going to use it for 2 to 3 days. Then, inshallah ta'ala, we'll use the colors, we'll use the beads, we'll use the powders, and everything in that. So, I just dipped it into the solution, into the resin, and then 3 ml I'm going to get extracted from this. Okay, see, I have taken 3 ml of resin, 3 ml. Add it into a measuring cup. Using measuring cups is quite difficult for you because we are starting with the small things. Using syringe is affordable and very useful. So then we will add the thing into the cup. See, it's quite like this. I'll be showing you. See. Then we will be taking a hardener, just only 1 ml of hardener. Only 1 ml. We need a lot of patience for doing a resin. So let me take 1 ml of hardener. Look at this. Just 1 ml. If anyone is having a doubt in the middle, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubts. I have given you the full chance to unmute yourself so that you can clearly clear your doubts. See, now I am adding a hardener to this.
Is there any difference between 2:1 and 3:1, like in the outcome? Will there be any difference?
No, the outcome will be same for you, but the patience we need in a 3:1 ratio is a more time.
Okay.
ज्यादा टाइम लगता है 3:1 रेशियो में. 2:1 रेशियो में जो है थोड़ा कम टाइम लगता है. मतलब जैसा कि ये
Because
24 to 48 hours
the
में
one which
बनता
I
है.
have is 2:1.
Okay,
So
no
is it
problem,
fine?
sister. Yes, yes, it is fine.
Okay.
Totally fine. See, now you need to mix this two for 3 minutes. At least for 3 minutes. Okay? It's a time 5:09. We'll mix it till 5:12. Don't use the colors, don't spoil the colors just in the starting. Don't mix it like this. Just with the slow hands. Because we are mixing it and we are removing the bubbles that are formed in this. With your slow hands, just mixed it.
If the quantity is more, the time for mixing
The
will be
time
the
will be
same.
the same. The time will be the same. If you find the bubbles are
Okay.
all over in this, then you can without मतलब 3 मिनट से भी कम में आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो. लेकिन मिनिमम अगर 3 मिनट्स हो जाए तो इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू ऑल. तो उसमें का जो बबल फॉर्मेशन वगैरह सब होगा ना वो सब रिमूव हो जाएगा जल्दी से. आपका आउटकम अच्छा होगा, आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बनेगा.
Also, sister, I heard about this bubble spray. What is it?
Bubbles,
Bubble spray. There is something in resin.
it is like when you'll be having something, you'll be producing something, you'll be creating something, na? It will have some bubbles in that. So if you'll spray that, you won't find a bubbles.
Okay. At the end, the last procedure will it be?
Yeah, it will be last procedure, but no need for that because we are not a professional users, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's a
Also, you
beginning.
referred about some gun or something at the start.
Yeah, not at all required, sisters, because we are not making something big, right? We don't need the outcome to be so faster. So we have mixed it for 3 minutes. Now take a alphabetical tray, what you all are having. Okay, sisters, just will make with all your wish. What letter do you all want to make? Shall we start with the letter A or the alphabet Z?
Yes. A will be fine.
Okay. Okay, sisters, we'll be adding it slowly. When you're adding the resin into the mold, remember that the surface should be flat. It shouldn't be the soft, it should be the hard surface because when you will be pouring that, it might get another shape. We need a perfect shape, so keep the surface to be the harder. Use table or else sit on the floor. Use vase, bed sheets, anything on the floor so that the bed sheet even should not get spoiled. Okay, as you all said, we'll be starting with the letter A. Okay, we have added some A in this. It will take some time to get dried up. If we need the product in a very less time, we should use the heat gun. But we are practicing this, so we don't need the time to be more. That's the reason we are not using the heat gun. We are just using our air, our room temperature so that it should get dried up. After 24 hours, do one thing, sisters. After 24 hours, we will be adding something, a small quantity of again resin and hardener upon this. Okay, above this we'll be going to have this. Yesterday, as have you all attended the uh, video on the YouTube what I have uploaded yesterday? Because many of them was not
Mm,
join the class.
I have one.
Who seen the video? Okay, okay. Because I shown you yesterday this A what I made. It was at my practicing time. See how ugly it was looking like. I was so excited to use the colors in the starting, in the beginning of my classes. But see, this is so harder. You can see the edges over here. That is so sharp. And see, this finishing is so clear. You know why is this finishing is so clear? It was on the bottom, but I did not added the resin and hardener above this after 24 hours. That's the reason it is so hard. Yesterday I shown in the paper that it was tearing the paper. It is that so hard. See how ugly it is looking like. That's the reason I told you all not to use the colors. Okay, I told you all not to use the colors, but again for today's class I am going to introduce you all the colors and powders. Yesterday many of them was not able to join the class. Everyone was busy in something somewhere. Okay. For practicing sessions, what you all need, I am going to show you. And as I show you, you all will be buying a budget friendly things. You all will be like using all the things budget friendly. So in that manner, I'm going to show you today. Where is my colors? Here. It is here. The powders are here. The beads and all this over here. The molds. Sisters, after 2 to 3 days, I'm going to show you other molds even. But that is for professional users. But if you want to use it later on, you can use it at the ending of the classes. All makeup lovers, right? Everyone here are makeup lovers. So I took all the expired products. I collected. I didn't thrown because we are not born to throw the things. We have born to create the things. We are born to make the things in a useful manner, even though it is expired. It does not matters for us. We are such a creative guys. We can use the expired products even in a good manner. Alhamdulillah. And inshallah ta'ala, we all will be doing that. Inshallah. Okay, students. So, sisters, I am having you the expired lipsticks. Okay, all the expired lipsticks I'm gonna use in my arts because we are not gonna throw this. We are artists. We won't throw the things. We use the things. We create the things with all the dirty things. See, I'm having this much lipstick. Why to throw this? Instead, we can use it in a perfect manner. Inshallah ta'ala, inshallah. And Alhamdulillah, Allah made us so creative minded personalities. Thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. See, here I'm having a foundation that I'll be using. See, it is in a liquid form, right? So we can use it like a opaque color, opaque liquids. Even this can give you the transparent effects. So again, we'll be discussing this thing. These are the foils. These are the foils that you can just sprinkle on the top. A silver foil and a golden foil. Here we had a golden and here we had a silver. Opaque pigments. See, these are in a liquid form, how our foundation was, right? The creativity is all like your makeover. How you make your face is all just like that. Again, we are having a black color. The most required colors are just white and pink. The users, the people, how they want their outlook to be. It is all in a black color. It is not in a black color. It is in a white and a peach pink color. See, students, we are having here some glitters. As I told you on your day second, even glitters are of different shape. It only does not have a color. It even have the shapes. A hexagon glitter shape, a star glitter shape, a square shape, some different shapes you all will be having. Okay. Here are some alphabets which we can use. See, here are some alphabets from which we can make a bracelets, from which we can create a name in our racing arts. Here are some beads. You can use your broken clip clutches. You can use all those things in your art. Don't throw the things. Never ever throw the things because from now you are going to be a inshallah ta'ala, you are going to be a professional artist. Inshallah, your hard works will pay for you. One day, inshallah, your work will be paying for you. Just look at this. How and these colors are mica powder. Okay, these powders are mica powder. This is having a color, but it does not give you the effect like all dirty effect. It will give you the transparent effects. See this cold and shade. But in our class, we are going to use most white and peach pink color. Here are the molds. This is a small mold. It is this much. Okay, quite bigger than my hand. We can use it as a frame, a small frame, or a lid of glasses. What we use. This mold is for earrings. Say this. This is perfect. This is a perfect shape of a earrings. This is a earring mold. This mold, a keychain mold. Shapes keychain. This alphabetical mold, here you're having some bookmarks like shapes. See here, bookmark like shapes. Here a heart, circle, square, all these. Even in this, we are having a resin pour into this. That's the reason. Here a heart, a small heart. This heart is just, we are gonna get a small heart. But here a deep heart, deep. I'm talking about the depth. वो ज्यादा ऊंचा होगा, ये एकदम पतला हमें मिलेगा. यहाँ पर भी स्टार है, यहाँ पर भी स्टार है, और यहाँ आपको बड़ा बुक मार्क जैसे मिलेगा. And one more interesting thing what I got in this kit is, students, I got the keychain holders. See, oh my god, Allah Akbar. Look at this, the keychain holders, silver color and golden color keychain holders. Even what we are gonna prick into our keychain is just like these things. वायर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, एक छोटा सा रिंग जैसा वायर जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होगा इसका. सी, पहले हम इसको उसके अंदर इंसर्ट करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद में कल हम कीचेन परफेक्टली कैसा बनाते हैं हम वो देखेंगे. आज हमने रेसिन मिक्सिंग देखा है, मोल्ड्स के शेप्स को पढ़ा है, और कलर्स को पढ़ा है, the colors, and a budget friendly resin artist. We are gonna be the budget friendly resin artist, inshallah taala, everyone. Okay, here this is a better sticker that I got. Good flowers, wow, good vibes. This seriously gives me a good vibes, a beautiful girl. See, a bee, positive, even bee is positive. So everyone
Sister,
be
how will we
positive.
stick stickers on resin, like on the project? How will we stick the sticker?
I'll even show you that how we are going to stick this in our classes. I know you all are so excited, but the resin is a art of patience, a lots of patience. 24 hours, 48 hours patience we are going to have. And one more thing, when we are having the earring molds, then we are having some earring holders. See, even this is the same. पहले हम इसको लगाएंगे कीचेन के जैसे, फिर उसके बाद हम इसमें इयरिंग को अटैच करेंगे. Then we'll be having our perfect earrings. इंशाल्लाह अब हम अपने घर को ऐसे ही नहीं रखेंगे, बहुत क्रिएटिव बनाएंगे. Right everyone? We are going to create our house with our creativity. We are going to, inshallah, we are going to explore our
Inshallah.
house. Inshallah ta'ala. So, do anyone have any doubt for today's session? We use
Yeah,
the few.
sister,
Huh, please come on.
in that letter, alphabet A, you have poured, right? So
Yeah,
until what, like, what is the depth? Till the surface we have to pour it, or anything we have to leave some space or something like that?
we need to leave some space because after 24 hours again we are going to pour something on it, right?
Yeah.
In tomorrow's class again we are going to pour quite a little bit of resin above that, so that it could create a
Like
softer
one
texture.
tenth,
Yes.
1/10 of that we can say, or 1/5. Like the whole part, if it is 10 parts, one part we have to leave or something like that, just for an idea.
um you just need to pour a one tenth out of 9 portion, you need to fill it.
Okay.
One session you need to leave.
And after pouring the second, again we have to leave for 24 hours?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
as yesterday I told you, it is a work of so patience.
Right, right.
Yeah. Do anyone, any doubts?